Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's your boy Billionaire Banks, and today we are looking at, as usual, the volatility 51s index. And yeah, yesterday we got in a trade. We got in a trade, and we are still currently up on that trade. We are holding that trade because we saw that it was a swing, so we got into that trade at about this level, 21,500, and then price went impulsively, and price did not exactly hit 23,000. So now we are having a pullback. Because why are we having this pullback is because we have broken these highs. These highs, it's the 4-hour highs. So we have broken the 4-hour high, and now we are having a pullback. So what do we expect? We are expecting a 4-hour retracement into this level, 22,500, or even below to these levels here. But then this is our entry time frame. This is our zone. In about 1 hour, this is Sunday, December the 8th, 2004. This is about, if you can check my timer up there, it's about 3:06 in the morning. So in about 1 hour thereabout, where we're going to have a new daily candle come open. So what are we expecting? We are expecting that price will retrace and test previous daily candles. So what do we have on the daily? On the daily, we found out that price came. Let's go back to structures. Price created a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a higher low. So then price came in while creating this higher low. It gave us a lower high, gave us a low, and then broke above it, giving us a new higher high in the 4-hour time frame. It came back, retested the neckline of this track pattern on the 4-hour. But then that is not our concern. Our concern is what is going to happen on the 4-hour. What is going to happen on the 4-hour, from what I'm seeing from the information given to me by price? We are seeing this doji candle, bearish doji candle, and then we had this bullish engulfing candle. So now what are we expecting from price? We're expecting the next candle to come test this candle high. This candle high, this was 6th December. Test this candle high at around psychological level 22,000, and then from there you can see further move push to the upside. And how does that interpret for us on the 4-hour time frame? On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has created let's go back from this trend channel. We saw a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and then an impulse breaking these previous structures. So now price has broken these previous structures, and now what are you anticipating? Anticipating for price to come and retest these previous broken structures at around 22,000, and then we can have a push up. If you can draw a trend channels on the 1 hour, let's see if we have a trend channel. Not exactly, but let's try to see if we can have one. If we get a trend channels like this about this level, and then we get the second trend channels, okay, that's it. Not quite, but yeah, it's roughly because the trend hasn't formed yet. So you can see that price came up impulsively, hit this trend channel, and then we can have another bounce at this trend channel at around 22,500, and then boom to the upside. So how our entry is going to look like? Entries are going to look like this. So you can also take this trade on your demo account to see if it works, and if it works, just give me a comment at the comment section below. If it doesn't, it's a demo account, you just lose trading capital. Now, it's not every time we get into good trades, but then we determine the best trade with our technical analysis, and then we hope for the best. We manage risk, and then just hope for the best. Yeah, so our entries are going to look like this. I'm going to set my buy limit at 22,000. I'm going to set my buy limit at 22,000, and then my stops will be at 21,700. So how would that do? Like, let me plot 27,700 for you guys. So we see where the stops are going to be at. So the stop loss are going to be at 21,700. 21,700. stops give it a red. Yeah, so our stops are going to be down there. Why? Because we have structures, we have a low here, and we have a low here. So now price is just hanging around here. So we are anticipating the price to come down here and test this 22,000, and then maybe even come a bit below before going up to the buy side. And you can also see we have what most people like to call an order block. We have this bearish candle, and we have these two bearish candle in the midst of these massive buys. So price will likely come to test one of these lows, you know. So that's what I'm looking at for, and then price will start moving to the upside. So this would be like a higher high and then a higher low right about this side. You can remember from the last video I said that price will likely come to test this highs here before we start moving to the upside. So I'm still holding my buys from around 2,500, and yeah, let's see how price will respect these levels. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see we have some important lows about this level. So this will be the last level that price will put a stop loss here, and then we'll set our entry right about 22,000, and then price might want to come and react off these lows. We have these lows here, so price might want to come react off these lows before heading up to the buy side. So you can see prices come down very impulsively, giving us lower high, lower low, lower high, equal lows, equal highs, just ranging about the spot. So the next daily candle will definitely drop, and then during the day you can see further move push to the upside. So as my trade plan inquires, I will open two positions. First take profit 22,500, and I'll be holding the rest for more profits. So that is the trade update for today. I'm not really seeing much, I'm not really convinced, but then since the pullback and the new week is about to start, the weekly candle, we're going to have weekly candle coming as well, because this is a Sunday. And yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. So not much to say, just gonna continue holding for the buy side, because on the daily time frame we are definitely bullish, but then we're gonna have some resistance at this area because of this trap pattern that was formed. So a retest of 22,500, and then we move to the upside. So that's it for today, guys. Hope to see you in the next video, and thanks for tuning in. Peace.